What if working less actually brought you more freedom, more peace, and even more money? Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, we're going to uncover how to design your ideal work less life blueprint. And no, this isn't about quitting everything and living off grid. It's about working smarter, not harder, so your life finally feels like yours again. Let's dive in. Define your version of freedom. Before you reduce work, ask, what does a work-less life mean to you? Is it working 3 days a week, taking 2 months off per year, earning enough from one client? Everyone's blueprint is different. Write it down. Be specific. If you don't define it, you'll chase someone else's version forever. Audit your current life. You can't redesign what you don't understand. So grab a notebook and track your time for a week. List everything that drains you. Highlight the 20% of tasks that give you 80% of results. This audit shows you what to eliminate, automate, or delegate. Focus on high-leverage work. Working less doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing the right things. Ask, what tasks bring long-term results? What can be scaled, reused, or taught to others? Wealthy people focus on systems and assets, things that grow even when they're sleeping. Build systems that run without you. You shouldn't be the bottleneck. Start small. Use templates for emails, automate invoices, create onboarding flows, build a team, or outsource. Every system you build is a freedom machine. Redesign your week with white space. Don't just remove work, replace it with life. Schedule thinking time walks without your phone. Quiet mornings, meaningful connection. A work-less life isn't just about freedom from work. It's about freedom to be present. Create multiple streams of income, a single paycheck, a single point of failure. Instead, launch a digital product, teach a skill, invest in assets, start a side hustle that aligns with your passion. More income streams, garners more flexibility. Learn to say no without guilt. Most people are overwhelmed because they say yes out of fear of missing out, being judged, or losing money. But saying yes to the wrong things is saying no to your dream life. Shift from hustle to intentional action. Hustle says, do more. Blueprint living says, do what matters most. Slow down. Think long term. Prioritize rest, strategy, and alignment. You'll get more done in 4 focused hours than in 10 distracted ones.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly money and mindset power-ups.